In the United States, more than 1 million patients a year are placed on feeding tubes to sustain life or improve healing. Many of these patients receive their care at home. Unfortunately, today, most home patients use a complicated feeding process that's messy and time-consuming. That's all about to change. EnteraLoc is a flexible pouch with a leak-proof seal and custom-designed spout that can be filled with nutritious meals and directly connected to an EnFit device. Simply remove the cap, connect the EnFit device, and squeeze the pouch to administer nutrition. That's it. EnteraLoc is easy to use, reduces mess, eliminates waste, saves time, and allows patients to be more mobile. It can also help improve outcomes. EnteraLoc supports both pediatric and adult enteral feeding needs. From the hospital, to the clinic, to the home. EnteraLoc is ideal for brand owners, fillers, and packers looking for an innovative, proven, fully customized enteral feeding solution. To learn more, contact Vonco today. EnteraLoc, the power to nourish.